Today's video is sponsored by Hostinger, your one-stop shop to start your own website at unbeatable prices. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 exclusive features for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus that no other phone can replicate. So let's dive in and discover right away. Now the very first one has to do with your calendar application. So I'm going to grab my S Pen, I'm going to launch the calendar application, and as you can see on the top, there's an actual icon for the pen. So what I can do is I can tap on this icon, and now I can use my S Pen to draw on the calendar. Okay, so I can go just like this, and this is absolutely fantastic. Now here's the great part. First, and I can pick any pen that I want, so I can go with this pen, with that color, whatever, and I can circle special dates that might be important. I can cross out other dates or whatever you do on a calendar. And the good thing is when you save this, it actually stays just like that. So when I go to the next month and come back to this month, it's going to be the same exact thing. And if I want to go into the future and do the same thing for January, for example, I can do the same thing over here. I can click save, and that's going to stay right there. Okay, and I can take any kind of notes that I want on the calendar. So this is a fantastic little tactic that I was not aware of until very recently. All right, so that's number 1. Let's move on to the next tactic. All right, so real quick guys, if you want to start, build, and host your own website, I want to recommend the industry's highest quality web hosting provider, Hostinger. Hostinger offers a clean and intuitive interface to easily start and deploy your own website within minutes. You can create a blog if you desire by using WordPress with an easy-to-use point-and-click interface, or use one of their pre-built themes. Either way, it's going to be a breeze to finally bring that website idea to life using their hosting panel. I also teamed up with Hostinger to provide you up to 91% off their hosting services. That also includes a free domain name so you can get started quickly and at less than $1 a month. You really can't beat that pricing for the fastest web host in the industry. Also, once you create a website, you get access to hundreds of applications that can be installed with a single click and add functions to your website such as polls, discussion boards, or the ability to add a product catalog. So simply go to hostinger.com/SAKITECH by using the link down below and use the coupon code SAKITECH to get up to 91% off for unbeatable prices. Build your website today. And of course, you've got nothing to lose because you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so go ahead and try it out. The next trick has to do with the fact that you can unlock your smartphone with your S Pen. So let me lock my phone right now. I'm going to lock it up. I'm going to press the S Pen's button right here. I'm going to press that button and nothing happens. It goes to the actual lock screen, which is something you can do as well. So instead of double tapping, you can just tap this button. It's going to launch the lock screen. Now when you log in, if you want to enable unlock with S Pen feature, all you do is go to the settings, all right? Then you go to advanced features, then you go to S Pen, then you go to unlock with the S Pen remote. This is the option. You click on it, and then you say unlock with S Pen remote. Now when you click OK, it's going to ask you for your current PIN number or password or whatever you use, so go ahead and enter that. And then click next, and it should be good to go. Now when I go back and lock my phone, let me lock my phone. When I actually press the button here, it's going to go ahead and unlock the phone and go straight into the home screen. So that's another fantastic little trick exclusive for the Note 10. Let's move on to the next tactic. All right, the next trick has to do with your Samsung Notes application. So if you go up over here, and if you launch Samsung Notes, you'll notice that over here, I have something that says secret, and it says this note is locked. And if I try to access it, it actually does not allow me to view the note unless I put in my password or put in my fingerprint. And then I could save a password in there. So if you want to do something like this, you create a brand new note, all right? And let's just give it a title. Just say X, and let's say Y, okay? And let's say you want to hide this note. You want to make it secret. All you do is you click Save. After you click Save, you can go inside it or just tap on the button on the side over here and tap on Lock, all right? Once you do that, it's going to get locked. If you have never used a password before, it's going to ask you to create a password. But now I would have to tap on it, put my fingerprint inside, or use my password to access that note. So that's a great way to create secure notes. Now that was the final tactic, but I'm going to give you a quick bonus tip. with the S Pen in Samsung Notes as well. So let's go inside over here. As you can see, I have a couple words that I wrote over here. Now what you can do with these guys is sometimes you write something and then what you want to do is you want to change the color of that thing. So instead of having to rewrite it, you can change the color of all these notes individually if you desire. So all you do is you go to this over here, you tap on the pen button, all right? Then you swipe over. At the bottom you see the A button, you click on that, and then you click on it again, and you pick any color that you want to convert any of these things to, and you simply tap on it. So I tap on that, it's a change of color. I tap over here, it changes that color, that color, that color. You can even create some cool effects as you just saw, just like this, all right? So again, you pick any color you want, and boom, you can change the colors, create nice little styles, or change the entire color. Then you click save, and you are good to go. And that was the last exclusive feature on the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. All right, have a fantastic day.